Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Suzuki Vitara is a versatile compact SUV, combining rugged off-road capability with urban practicality. Featuring refreshed styling, improved technology, and a more efficient powertrain, it remains a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and affordable SUV. The Vitara balances performance, comfort, and value in one package. The Suzuki Vitara boasts a modern and dynamic design, with a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Its compact yet robust stance is complemented by rugged wheel arches and sporty alloy wheels. Available in vibrant color options, the Vitara combines practicality with style. The Suzuki Vitara offers a range of efficient engine options, including a turbocharged petrol and hybrid variant. Its lightweight design and all-wheel drive capability provide a balance of performance and fuel economy. The Vitara excels in urban driving while maintaining solid off-road performance, making it a versatile choice. The Suzuki Vitara features a spacious, functional cabin with high-quality materials. Its intuitive infotainment system includes a touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and navigation. Comfortable seating with adjustable options, ample legroom, and customizable storage space ensure a pleasant driving experience, blending practicality with modern technology for both driver and passengers. The Suzuki Vitara comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, it offers rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and hill descent control, ensuring a safe and secure driving experience for both urban and off-road adventures. The Suzuki Vitara is competitively priced, offering great value for those seeking a compact SUV with both off-road and city driving capabilities. It competes with models like the Hyundai Kona, Toyota Yaris Cross, and Honda HR-V, providing an affordable yet feature-packed alternative in the crowded SUV market.